In the automotive aftermarket, 3M Company is a recognized leader year after year. With a worldwide reputation for quality and innovation, 3M sets a high standard of excellence throughout the industry. In this tradition of excellence, the Perfected 3000 line of paint finishing products from 3M is a preferred brand worldwide. Now, we are proud to announce an exciting new system that will complement our traditional line and revolutionize how paint finishing is done in your shop. We call it the Perfected 3000 Trizact Spot Repair System from 3M, with state-of-the-art paint finishing technology that makes it possible to do fast, clean, high-quality work on small repair areas. Imagine perfect paint finishing on small defects without doing the entire panel. Significant changes in the refinishing industry now make it possible for shops to get cleaner, more uniform textures that need only minimal spot finishing. 3M's new Trizact Perfected 3000 Spot Repair System is your perfect tool for those spot repairs. Now, you can correct imperfections and realize up to a 30 to 50% overall time savings by only fixing the flaw. Until now, one of the only ways to get a premium finish was to use rubbing compounds and compounding pads. The extra labor and messy process of compounding was just the price you had to pay for a quality job. Now, this new system replaces the need for aggressive rubbing compounds and helps eliminate swirl marks, one of the biggest complaints in our industry. And of course, no messy compounds means no compounding sling to clean off adjacent panels and door jambs. Finally, Trizact Spot Repair helps increase your productivity by getting cars in and out of your shop more efficiently and with fewer possibilities of redos. We've made the Trizact system easy to use so that everyone in your shop, from veteran to rookie, can do high-quality repairs with less effort, less mess, and greater consistency. We know all this sounds incredible, and it is. So let's take a few minutes and go through a spot repair to see how the Trizact system works. The first step is to remove any imperfections in the clear coat by sanding. This can be done wet or dry, but for best productivity, dry sanding is recommended. If you're going to dry sand with a DA sander, start by using grade P1500 finishing film discs on a painter's disc pad. For this, you can use either a traditional 6-inch DA, or to minimize the size of the repair area, you may want to use a 3-inch DA. For wet sanding, we recommend Imperial Wet or Dry sheets from 3M. Grade P1500 works best. Once the nibs, runs, and sags have been leveled by sanding, you're ready for the next step. Forget the compound, the large buffer, and the wool pad. The next step is scratch refinement, the Trizact way. The 3M invention that makes scratch refinement possible and compounding obsolete is the amazing new Trizact abrasive. It was designed with pyramid-shaped structures that contain multiple layers of abrasive minerals. These small pyramids are uniformly distributed over the entire surface of the disc, providing fast and consistent cut. Conventional abrasives have randomly arranged minerals that wear and finish unevenly. But Trizact pyramids continuously expose fresh, sharp minerals as they wear for a consistent, smooth finish unlike anything you've ever seen. Now that you've seen the technology that makes Trizact work, let's continue with our spot repair. It is important to note that Trizact abrasive is not meant for leveling orange peel or denibbing, only for refining sand scratches during the following step. First, apply just enough water with a spray bottle to dampen the Trizact abrasive on a DA sander. You don't need a lot of water because the foam backing holds water in. Then, with a recommended air pressure of 40 to 50 psi, sand until scratches are removed and the surface appears semi-polished. Your jobs are quicker and easier with no compound sling, no wool pad, and no swirl marks. Amazing! Your work area should appear clean, with no rubbing compound to be wiped from door jambs, adjacent panels, or yourself. Next, remove Trizact sand scratches. Trizact spot finishing material has been specially formulated with a mineral designed to remove P3000 sand scratches. First, put a small amount of the spot finishing material directly on the repair area. Then, and most importantly, using a buffer speed of 1800 RPMs, apply medium pressure to the buffer. Actually compress the convoluted surface of the pad. This way, the scratches will be cut out, not just glossed over. Now, ease up on the buffer and use light pressure to polish the surface to a high gloss. If you remember to use medium pressure first and light pressure second, this procedure will remove Trizact sand scratches and produce a high gloss finish. Now use a perfected detailing cloth from 3M to remove any remaining residue. This unique cloth quickly removes the residue without scratching the vehicle's surface. While this process produces an outstanding finish, it may leave a very fine swirl that is visible on dark-colored vehicles, especially after the vehicle has been washed and is viewed in the sunlight. To address this issue, 3M is pleased to introduce the latest addition to the Perfected 3000 system, the all-new Ultra Fina SE polish and pad combination. The SE stands for Swirl Eliminator. Perfected 3000 Ultra Fina SE with the blue Ultra Fina foam pad eliminates swirl marks from a vehicle. Ultra Fina SE is not intended to hide or camouflage swirls. Rather, it actually polishes the paint surface and eliminates the swirls, leaving a perfect finish. After polishing with Ultra Fina SE, you can wash the vehicle and the swirls will not reappear because they are simply gone. To use Ultra Fina SE, set the buffer between 1400 and 2000 RPM, then apply a small amount of Ultra Fina SE to the surface. Now, push down using medium pressure to eliminate those stubborn swirls. Then, slowly reduce the pressure to produce the best possible finish, remembering to leave a light oily film that you will wipe off later. It is important to note that Ultra Fina SE handles a bit differently than other products in the Perfected 3000 line. It is critical to use enough Ultra Fina SE so that a light oily film remains across the entire surface when polishing is complete. You may notice a oily spatter on surrounding areas of the car as you polish. Well, this tells you that you are using the right amount of product to get the job done right. Now you're ready to wipe clean. Wait, not with that. That could undo all the work you put into finishing the vehicle. With this, the 3M Perfected Show Car Detailing Cloth. This unique cloth quickly removes the oily residue without scratching the swirl-free Ultra Fina finish. And there it is, the most revolutionary paint finishing system on the market. Perfected 3000 Trizact Spot Repair System. It's all you need in your shop for increased productivity, profitability, efficiency, enhanced quality, customer satisfaction, no compounding or wool pads, no swirl marks, easy cleanup in less time. Every shop should have both the Perfected 3000 paint finishing system and the Perfected 3000 Trizact Spot Repair System. Your 3M representative can answer all your questions and get you started on these two state-of-the-art systems. 3M, innovative products that set the standard of excellence in the automotive aftermarket.